Let's take aim at this one now. Jamaica's practical pistol shooters secured top honours in every category at the recently concluded Smoking Barrels Extreme Regional Shooting Competition in Barbados. TVJ Sports caught up with them on their return to the island at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston.
Jamaica's practical pistol shooters secured first, second and third place finishes in the production, optics, production and open divisions. Darren Richards led the charge in the individual events, winning the standard division and walking away with the esteemed International Practical Shooting Confederation IPSC Presidential's gold medal. Adriel Randall and Ron Wallace were runners-up in the production optics division and production division, respectively. Iris Palmer finished third in the open division, while Lenny Moulton was second in the open division's senior category.
It was definitely a tough match. First day saw us, competing against the best in the Caribbean, and we were a bit shell-shocked, but we overcame on the second day, and hence the trophies today. Jamaica is very unique in that the guys gelled as a team together. We gelled really well. And when you put the scores together, we came out in first, second and third in the various divisions.
And the women were also a formidable force. Corporal Cheyenne Francis not only won the production optics lady category, but also captured the High Lady Award as the highest placed female shooter overall in the match, hitting personal targets she had set for herself.
It was a great trip. I mean, there were challenges because when we got there, I realized that the stages were not like what we used to. But we are Jamaicans. We know how to overcome and do our best. This is just the start of great things because the plan is to go to the US next year to dominate, and we are training for that.
Yoni Campbell led a Jamaica 1-2 with Florence Golding in the production division lady category.
And the team came out and did their best, and we were able to cop so many awards that Trinidad, Barbados, St. Lucia, Suriname, the US was there as well. They want to actually come to Jamaica to shoot some of our matches when they saw what our team members were able to do. It's very important to shoot outside of your country because you get to experience what your competition is like and what you're going up against, so you're able to see them and to prepare for that stiff competition going into the World Shoot 2025 and beyond.
Denise Walton for TVJ Sports.